सुमतिगुम् हवामहे कविम् कवीनामुपमश्रवस्तमम् ज्येष्ठराजम् ब्रह्मणस्पत आनः शृण्वन्नोतिभिः सीदसादनम् प्रणो देवी सरस्वती वाजेभिर्वाजिनीवती दीनामवित्रयवतो गणेशाय नमः सरस्वत्यै नमः श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः हरिः ओम् ॐ नमो भगवते रुद्राय ॐ नमस्ते रुद्रमन्यव उतोदयिषवे नमः नमस्ते अस्तु धन्वने बाहुभ्यामुत ते नमः या तैषु शिवतमा शिवम् बभूव ते धनुः शिवा शरव्याया तव तया नो रुद्रमृडया या ते रुद्र शिवास्तनोरघोरा पापकाशिनी तया नस्तनुवाचन्तमया गिरिशन्ताभिचाकशी यामिषम् गिरिशन्तहस्ते विवर्ष्यस्तवे शिवाम् गिरित्रताम् कुरु माहिगुंसे पुरुषम् जगत् शिवेन वचसा त्वा गिरिसाच्चावदामसि यथा नः सर्वमिज्जगत यक्ष्मगुम् सुमना असत् अद्य वोचदधिवक्ता प्रथमो दैव्योऽभिषत् अहेतुश्च सर्वान् जम्भयन् सर्वान् च यातु धान्यः असौ यस्ताम्रो अरुण उत बभ्रुः मङ्गलः ये चेवागुम् रुद्रा अभितो दिक्षुश्रिता सहस्रशो वैशागुम् हेडहेमहे असव्योपसर्पति नीलग्रीवो विलोहितः उतैनम् गोपा अदृशन्नदृशन्नुदहार्यः उतैनम् विश्वा भूतानि सदृष्टो मृडयातिनः नमो अस्तु नीलग्रीवाय सहस्राक्षाय मीडुषे अतो ये अस्य सत्त्वानो हन्तेभ्यो करन्नमः प्रमुञ्चदन्वनस्त्वबुभयोरात्रियोज्याम् यास्य ते हस्तैषवः पराता भगवो वप अवदत्यतनुस्त्वगुम् सहस्राक्षसतेषु दे निशीर्यशल्याढाम् मुखा शिवो नः सुमना भव विद्यम् धनुक्कपर्दिनो विशल्यो बाणवागुम् उदा अनेशन्नस्येषव आपुरस्य निषङ्गतिः याते हेतिर्मे दुष्टमहस्ते बभूव ते धनुः तयास्मान् विश्वतत्त्वमयक्ष्मया परिभुजा नमस्ते अस्त्वायुधाय नातताय धृष्णवे उभाभ्यामुत ते नमो बाहुभ्याम् तव धन्वने परिते धन्वनो हेतिरस्मान् दृणक्तु विश्वतः अतो य इषुदिस्तवारे अस्मन्निदेहितम् नमस्ते अस्तु भगवन् विश्वेश्वराय महादेवाय त्रयम्बकाय त्रिपुरान्तकाय त्रिकाग्निकालाय कालाग्निरुद्राय नीलकण्ठाय मृत्युञ्जयाय सर्वेश्वराय सदाशिवाय श्रीमन्महादेवाय नमः नमो हिरण्यवाहवे सेनान्ये दिशाम् प्रपदये नमो नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यः पशूनाम् पतये नमो नमः सत्पिञ्जराय विषेमते पतीनाम् पतये नमो नमो बभ्रुषाय विव्याधिने नानाम् पतये नमो नमो हरिकेशायोपवीतिने पुष्टानाम् पतये नमो नमो भवस्य हेत्यै जगताम् पतये नमो नमो रुद्राय तथा विने क्षेत्राणाम् पतये नमो नमः सूताय हन्त्याय वनानाम् पतये नमो नमो रोहिताय सपतये वृक्षाणाम् पतये नमो नमो मन्त्रिणे वाणिजाय कक्षाणाम् पतये नमो नमो भुवन्तये वारिवस्कृतायौषधीनाम् पतये नमो नम उच्चैर्दोषाय क्रन्दयते पत्तीनाम् पतये नमो नमः कृत्स्नवीताय धावते सत्त्वनाम् पतये नमः नमः सामानाय निर्व्याधिनाम् पतये नमो नमः सकुबाय निषङ्गिने तेनानाम् पतये नमो नमो निषङ्गिन इषुधिमते तत्कराणाम् पतये नमो नमो वञ्चते परिवञ्चते सायूनाम् पतये नमो नमो निचेरवे परिचरायारण्यानाम् पतये नमो नमः श्रिकाविभ्यो जिगागुंसभ्योमुष्णताम् पतये नमो नमो शिवभ्यो नक्तम् चरभ्यः प्रकृन्तानाम् पतये नमो नम उष्णीषिणे गिरिचराय कुरुञ्जानाम् पतये नमो नम इषुमभ्यो दन्वाविभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आतन्वानेभ्यः प्रतिददानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आयच्छभ्यो विसृजभ्यश्च वो नमो नमोऽस्तभ्यो विद्यभ्यश्च वो नमो नम आसीनेभ्यः शयानेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम स्वपद्यो जाग्रभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः तिष्ठभ्यो दावद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सभाभ्यः सभापतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो अश्वेभ्यो अश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नम आव्यादिनेभ्यो विविद्यन्तेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम उगणाभ्यस्तृगुम्भदेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो घृत्सेभ्यो घृत्सपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो व्रातेभ्यो व्रातपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो गणेभ्यो गणपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो विरूपेभ्यो विश्वरूपेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो महद्भ्यः शुल्लकेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतेभ्यो रतेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमो रतेभ्यो रथपतिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः सेनाभ्यः सेनानिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः क्षत्रुभ्यः सङ्ग्रहेतृभ्यश्च वो नमो नमस्तक्षभ्यो रथकारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः कुलालेभ्यः कर्मारेभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः पुञ्जिष्टेभ्यो निषादेभ्यश्च वो नमो नम इषुकृद्भ्यो दन्वकृद्भ्यश्च वो नमो नमो मृगयभ्यश्वनिभ्यश्च वो नमो नमः श्वभ्यश्वपतिभ्यश्च वो नमः नमो भवाय च रुद्राय च नमः शर्वाय च पशुपतये च नमो नीलग्रीवाय च शितिकण्ठाय च नमः कपर्दिने च व्युक्तकेशाय च नमः सहस्राक्षाय च शतदन्वये च नमो गिरिशाय च शिबिभिष्टाय च नमो मीडुष्टमाय चेषुमते च नमो हस्वाय च वामनाय च नमो बृहते च वर्षीयसे च नमो वृद्धाय च संवृद्ध्वने च नमो अग्र्याय च प्रथमाय च नमः आशवेदादिराय च नमः शीघ्रियाय च शीभ्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च वस्वन्याय च नमः श्रोतस्याय च द्वेप्याय च नमो ज्येष्ठाय च कनिष्ठाय च नमः पूर्वजाय च परजाय च नमो मध्यमाय च पगल्पाय च नमो जगन्याय च बुद्ध्याय च नमः सोऽभ्याय च प्रतिसर्याय च नमो याम्याय च क्षेम्याय च नमः उर्वर्याय च कल्याय च नमः श्लोक्याय च वसान्याय च नमो वन्याय च कक्षाय च नमः श्रवाय च प्रतिश्रवाय च नमः आशुषेणाय चाशुरताय च नमः शूराय च वविन्दते च नमो वर्मिणे च वरूधिने च नमो निर्विणे च कवचिने च नमः श्रुताय च श्रुतसेनाय च नमो दुन्दुभ्याय च अनन्याय च नमो धृष्णवे च प्रभृशाय च नमो दूताय च प्रहिताय च नमो निषङ्गिने चेषु धीमते च नमः तीक्ष्णे शवे चायुधिने च नमः स्वायुधाय च सुदन्वने च नमः श्रुत्याय च पद्याय च नमः काट्याय च नीप्याय च नमः सोऽध्याय च सरस्याय च नमो नाद्याय च वैशन्ताय च नमः कोप्याय च भट्याय च नमो वर्ष्याय च वर्ष्याय च नमो मेध्याय च विद्युत्याय च नमः ईघ्रियाय च तप्याय च नमो वात्याय च रेश्म्याय च नमो वास्तव्याय च वास्तुपाय च ॐ हर 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 ॐ नमः सोमाय च रुद्राय च नमः ताम्राय च रुणाय च नमः शङ्गाय च पशुपतये च नमः उग्राय च भीमाय च नमो अग्रे वदाय च दूरे वदाय च नमो हन्त्रे च हनीयसे च नमो वृक्षेभ्यो हरिकेशेभ्यो नमस्काराय नमः शम्भवे च मयो भवे च नमः शङ्कराय च मयस्कराय च नमः शिवाय च शिवतराय च नमः सेव्याय च कूर्याय च नमः पार्याय च भार्याय च नमः प्रतरणाय चोत्तरणाय च नमः आचार्याय च लाद्याय च नमः चष्प्याय च पेन्याय च नमः सिकत्याय च प्रवाह्याय च नमः इरिण्याय च प्रपद्याय च नमः किगुंशिलाय च क्षयणाय च नमः कपर्दिने च पुलस्तये च नमो गोष्याय च गृह्याय च नमः तल्याय च गेह्याय च नमः काट्याय च गह्वरेष्ठाय च नमो हृदयाय च निवेष्ट्याय च नमः पागुंसव्याय च रजस्याय च नमः शुष्ट्याय च हरित्याय च नमो लोप्याय चोलप्याय च नमः ऊर्म्याय च सूर्म्याय च नमः पर्ण्याय च पर्णशद्याय च नमो पगुरमाणाय च विघ्नते च नमः आकिदते च प्रकिदते च नमो वक्किरिकेभ्यो देवानागुं हृदयेभ्यो नमो विक्षीणकेभ्यो नमो विचिन्वत्केभ्यो नमः आनिर्हतेभ्यो नमः आविर्भक्तेभ्यः द्रापे अन्धसत्पते दरिद्रन्नीललोहिता येषाम् पुरुषाणामेषाम् पशूनाम् मा वेर्मा रोमो येषाम् किञ्चनामवद या ते रुद्र शिवा तनो शिवा विश्वाः वेषजे शिवा रुद्रस्य वेषजे तया नो मृणजीवसे इमागुम् रुद्राय तवसे कपर्दिने क्षयद्वीराय प्रवरामहे मतिम् यथा नः शमतद्विपदे चतुष्पदे विश्वम् पुष्टम् ग्रामे अस्मिन्ननातुरम् नृणानो रुद्रो तनो मयस्कृति क्षयद्वीराय नमसा विधेमते यच्चम् च योश्च मनुराय जे पिता तदस्याम तव रुद्र प्रणीतौ मानो मान्तमुतमानो अर्भकम् मानमुक्षन्तमुतमानमुक्षितम् मानो वदे पितरम् मोत मातरम् प्रियामानस्तनुवो रुद्ररीर्षः मानस्तोकेतनये मान आयुषि मानो गोषु मानो अश्वेषु रीर्षः वीरान् मानो रुद्रभावितो वदे अविश्वन्तो नमसा विधेमते आराते गोघ्न उत पूरुषग्ने क्षयद्वीराय सुन्नमस्मे ते अस्तु रक्षा च नो अलिज देव ब्रूयता जनः शर्म यच्चद्विवर्हाः सुविश्रुतम् गद्दतम् युवानम् मृगन्न भीममुपहर्तमुग्रम् मृडा दरिद्रे रुद्रस्तवानो अन्यन्ते अस्मन्निवपन्तु सेनाः परिणो रुद्रस्य हेतिर्वृणक्तु परिद्वेषस्य दुर्मतिरगायो अवस्थिरा भगवभ्यस्तनुष्वमेव स्तोकायतनयाय मृडया मेढस्तमशिवतमशिवो नः सुमना भव परमे वृक्ष आयुधम् निदाय कृत्तिम् वसान आचर पिनाकम् बिभ्रदागहे विकिरितविलोहित नमस्ते अस्तु भगवः यास्ते सहस्रगुम् हेतयोऽन्यमस्मन्निवपन्तु ताः सहस्राणि सहस्रदा बाहुवोस्तव हेतयः तासामीशानो भगवः पराचीनामुखाकृते सहस्राणि सहस्रशो ये रुद्रा अधिभूम्या तेषागुम् सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि तन्वसे अस्मिन् महत्यर्णवेऽन्तरिक्षे भवादे नीलग्रीवाश्यति कण्ठाः सर्वा अधः क्षमाचराः नीलग्रीवाश्यति कण्ठादिवगुम् रुद्रा उपश्रिताः ये वृक्षेषु तस्मिन् जरा नीलग्रीवा विलोहिताः ये भूतानामधिपतयो वृषिकादक्कपर्दिनः ये अन्येषु विविध्यन्ति पात्रेषु विवतो जनान् ये पताम् पतिरक्षय ऐलभृडाय व्युदः ये तीर्थानि प्रचरन्ति श्रिकावन्तो निषङ्गिणः य एतावन्तश्च भूयागुंसश्च दिशो रुद्रावितस्तिरे तेषागुम् सहस्रयोजने वदन्वानि तन्वसे नमो रुद्रेभ्यो ये पृथिव्याम् येऽन्तरिक्षे ये दिवि येषामन्नम् वातो वर्षमिषवस्तेभ्यो दश प्राचीर्दश दक्षिणा दश प्रतीचीर्दशोदेचीर्दशोद्वास्तेभ्यो नमस्ते नो मृडयन्तु तेयम् विष्णो यच्च नोद्वेषितम् भोजम् वेददामि त्र्यम्बकम् यजामहे सुगन्धिम् पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् यो रुद्रो अग्रव्यो अप्सुय ओषधीषु यो रुद्रो विश्वा भुवनाभिवेश तस्मै रुद्राय नमो अस्तु एते सहस्रमयुतम् पाशा मृत्योर्मत्याय हन्तवे तान्यज्ञस्य मायया सर्वानवयजामहे मृत्यवे स्वाहा प्राणानाम् ग्रन्थिरसि रुद्रो माविशान्ततः तेनान्नेनाप्यायस्व नमो रुद्राय विष्णवे मृत्युर्मे पाहि तमस्तु हि यस्विषुः धन्वायो विश्वत्यक्षयति वेषजत्या यक्ष्वा महेशौ मनसाय रुद्रम् नमोभिर्देवमसुरम् ध्रुवस्य अयम् मे हस्तो भगवान् अयम् मे भगवत्तरः अयम् मे विश्ववेदजो यगुम् शिवाविमर्शनः ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः
गौरीसुताय ॐ नमः
गौरीसुताय ॐ नमः
गौरीसुताय ॐ नमः
गौरीसुताय ॐ नमः
लम्बोदराय ॐ नमः
लम्बोदराय ॐ नमः
लम्बोदराय ॐ नमः
लम्बोदराय ॐ नमः
गौरीसुताय ॐ नमः
गौरीसुताय ॐ नमः
विघ्नेश्वराय ॐ नमः
विघ्नेश्वराय ॐ नमः
विघ्नेश्वराय ॐ नमः
विघ्नेश्वराय ॐ नमः
भवदुःखभञ्जन ॐ नमः
भवदुःखभञ्जन ॐ नमः
भवदुःखभञ्जन ॐ नमः
भवदुःखभञ्जन ॐ नमः
गौरीसुताय ॐ नमः
गौरीसुताय ॐ नमः
लम्बोदराय ॐ नमः
लम्बोदराय ॐ नमः
गौरीसुताय ॐ नमः
गौरीसुताय ॐ नमः
विघ्नेश्वराय ॐ नमः
विघ्नेश्वराय ॐ नमः
भवदुःखभञ्जन ॐ नमः
भवदुःखभञ्जन ॐ नमः
भवदुःखभञ्जन ॐ नमः
भवदुःखभञ्जन ॐ नमः
गौरीसुताय ॐ नमः
शीतलचरणं कोमलचरणं मञ्जुळचरणं मम गुरुचरणं शीतलचरणं
सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती
सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती
सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती
सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती
ब्रह्मदेव सती भारती
ब्रह्मदेव सती भारती
ब्रह्मदेव सती भारती
ब्रह्मदेव सती भारती
मंगल मंजुल वाग्विलासिनी
मंगल मंजुल वाग्विलासिनी
मंगल मंजुल वाग्विलासिनी
मंगल मंजुल वाग्विलासिनी
वीणवादिनी कलावती वीणवादिनी कलावती हंसवाहिनी विद्यादायिनी हंसवाहिनी विद्यादायिनी वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती
वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती
वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती
सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती
ब्रह्मदेव सती भारती
ब्रह्मदेव सती भारती
मंगल मंजुल वाग्विलासिनी
मंगल मंजुल वाग्विलासिनी
वीणवादिनी कलावती
वीणवादिनी कलावती
हंसवाहिनी विद्यादायिनी
हंसवाहिनी विद्यादायिनी
वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती
वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती
वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती
वेदमाता श्री साई भगवती
सद्गुरु साई सरस्वती साई पिता रे माता साई
साई पिता माता साई
साई पिता माता साई
साई पिता माता साई
दीन दयाला दाता साई पितार माता साई
साई पितार माता साई
दीन दयाला दाता साई
दीन दयाला दाता साई
साई पितार माता साई
साई पितार माता साई
साई गुरु साई सखा सहोदर
साई गुरु साई सखा सहोदर
साई सत्य शिव साई सुंदर
साई सत्य शिव साई सुंदर
वेद उपनिषद गीता साई
वेद उपनिषद गीता साई
दीन दयाला दाता साई
दीन दयाला दाता साई
दीन दयाला दाता साई
दीन दयाला दाता साई
साई पितार माता साई
परतेश्वर श्री साई प्रभु
परमेश्वर श्री साई प्रभु
परतेश्वर श्री साई प्रभु
परमेश्वर श्री साई प्रभु
ईश्वराम्बनन्दन साई प्रभु
ईश्वरामनन्दन साई प्रभु
ईश्वराम्बनन्दन साई प्रभु
ईश्वरामनन्दन साई प्रभु
परतेश्वर श्री साई प्रभु
परमेश्वर श्री साई प्रभु
ईश्वर अल्लाह श्री साई राम नाम
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 बुद्ध जोराष्ट्र साई कृष्ण नाम
साई कृष्ण
बुद्ध जोराष्ट्र साई कृष्ण नाम
साई कृष्ण
माधव मोहन साई नारायण
माधव मोहन साई नारायण
माधव मोहन साई नारायण
माधव मोहन साई नारायण
प्रेमावतारा प्रभु साई रामा
प्रभु साई
प्रेमावतारा प्रभु साई रामा
प्रभु साई
परतेश्वर श्री साई प्रभु
परमेश्वर श्री साई प्रभु
ईश्वरामनन्द साई प्रभु
ईश्वरावनन्दन साई प्रभु
परतीश्वर श्री साई प्रभु
परतीश्वर श्री साई प्रभु
ईश्वर अल्लाह श्री साई राम नाम
ईश्वर अल्लाह श्री साई राम नाम
बुद्ध जोराष्ट्र साई कृष्ण नाम
बुद्धराष्ट्र साई कृष्ण नाम
माधव मोहन साई नारायण
साई नारायण
प्रेमावतारा प्रभु साई रामा
प्रेमावतारा प्रभु साई राम
प्रेमावतारा प्रभु साई रामा
प्रेमावतारा प्रभु साई राम
परतीश्वर श्री साई प्रभु सीताराम नाम भजो सीताराम नाम भजो सीताराम नाम भजो सीताराम नाम भजो मधुर मधुर साई 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 नाम भजो राधे श्याम नाम भजो राधे श्याम नाम भजो राधे श्याम नाम भजो राधे श्याम नाम भजो मधुर मधुर साई 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 नाम भजो सीताराम नाम भजो सीताराम नाम भजो मधुर मधुर साई नाम भजो मधुर मधुर साई नाम भजो राधे श्याम नाम भजो राधे श्याम नाम भजो मधुर मधुर साई 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 नाम भजो सीताराम नाम भजो
पुरंदर रंगा हरे विठ्ठला पुरंदर रंगा हरे विठ्ठला पुरंदर रंगा हरे विठ्ठला पुरंदर रंगा हरे विठ्ठला पंढरी रंगा हरे विठ्ठला पंढरी रंगा हरे विठ्ठला पंढरी रंगा हरे विठ्ठला पंढरी रंगा हरे विठ्ठला पुरंदर रंगा हरे
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
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 अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेय बल भीमा।
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 बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा 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 बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
परति पुरीशा साई रामा पावन पुरुषा साई रामा।
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 साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेय बल भीमा।
अंजनी पुत्र बल भीमा आंजनेय बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा बल भीमा।
वायु कुमारा बल भीमा वानर वीरा बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीम बल भीमा।
परति पुरीशा साई रामा पावन पुरुषा साई रामा।
परति पुरीशा साई रामा पावन पुरुषा साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई राम साई रामा।
राम लक्ष्मण जानकी जय बोलो हनुमान की।
हे विश्वपाला गोपाला हे विश्वपाला गोपाला हे दीनपाला गोपाला हे दीनपाला गोपाला मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर बाला मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर बाला गिरिधर बाला साई गोपाला गिरिधर बाला साई गोपाला हे विश्वपाला गोपाला हे दीनपाला गोपाला मीरा के प्रभु गिरिधर बाला
परमेश्वराय चन्द्रशेखराय नमः शिवाय परमेश्वराय चन्द्रशेखराय नमः शिवाय परमेश्वराय चन्द्रशेखराय नमः गुणसम्भवाय शिवताण्डवाय नमः भवाय गुणसम्भवाय शिवताण्डवाय नमः शिवाय परमेश्वराय चन्द्रशेखराय नमः शिवाय परमेश्वराय चन्द्रशेखराय ॐ शिवाय परमेश्वराय चन्द्रशेखराय नमः संभवाय शिवताण्डवाय नमः ॐ भवाय
The Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power and the glory, forever and ever. Amen.
Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Buddhaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Dhammaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Saṅghaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Dutiyampi buddhaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Dutiyampi dhammaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Dutiyampi saṅghaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Tatiyampi buddhaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Tatiyampi dhammaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi, Tatiyampi saṅghaṃ saraṇaṃ gacchāmi. Pānātipātā veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyāmi. Adinādānā veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyāmi. Kāmesu miccācārā veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyāmi. Musāvādā veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyāmi. Surameraya majjapamā daṭṭhānā veramani sikkhapadang samadhiyāmi. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.
We seldom mistake that every action we do is for Swami. Really, Swami doesn't need. Swami has no such need. What we do, the way Swami is trained up, is really for our own evolvement. There's nothing other than that. And I can tell you a very beautiful experience in Indonesia. In the beautiful island of Bali, they decided to construct a lovely mandir of Swami. And several months passed by, and Balinese structure is a lot of carving, so a lot of workers were there, and time to put Swami's picture in. So they brought Swami's photo inside, and all the workers said, "Don't do that. Why are you putting his picture?" We were like, actually, this temple is dedicated to Swami. He says, but he comes every night to us. And we looked at them and said, what do you mean? He says, he comes every day to us. He talks to us about how the construction should be. He gives us food. And that's how we've been working. We don't need a photo. He'll come. I'm sure he'll come. And actually, of course, they were disappointed they did not see Swami's physical presence that night anymore. And there's another situation where my father, he goes to different remote areas and of course to help people wherever we can. And in one such remote area in the island of Java, largely populated by people belonging to the Islamic religion, he sees in the mosque Swami's picture. And apparently Swami goes there to teach the Quran. So many times we think we are doing for Swami. Actually, Swami has far more reach than we can ever imagine. I faced later in life a very, very difficult moment in business, and I like to mention always about this. Our family lost a lot of money, and I came and I said, I really don't know what to do. Maybe I should sell all properties, and still it won't be enough. This, that. I came straight to Swami. My father and I came to Swami, to Parthi, hoping we'll get some solution. This was in 2008. I graduated in 1993 from my MBA. In 2008, it was a very nasty situation where the losses that we faced were far more than the assets that we could cover. And, we were like, okay, we'll come, hoping every day, sitting straight, looking at Swami. Swami look at us. We thought, oh, today Swami will tell us something. Like that, he kept us quiet for a month. Till we reached a point of reaching what Swami says Shanti. Because we are so worked up, right, about this, worried. Then Swami, first thing he told, look at me, he said, you know what's your problem? I looked at Swami, Swami, बहुत ज़्यादा problem. नहीं, वो नहीं है. Problem तुम ही है. And he said, so the problem is in you, not those problems that you're talking. He says, you have fear, you have attachment to your properties, to your everything. That's why. You're afraid of losing. And it struck me so hard. I said, my God, that is the foundation that we can never forget. Really, what ownership we have? Nothing. We are here to perform a task. And when I accepted that, I said, yes, Swami, you're right. He pulled us out of that problem in 4 years. He made us into a debt-free company. So, this is the most astounding experience. One of our customers decided not to pay us a very huge amount just during that same year. And I looked at Swami and I said, Swami, the customer is not paying this much amount on top of everything that I have. Think karo, kya karna hai? Then he said, case dalo. Okay. Swami, lawyer, buddhi le do, he said. He said, have faith. And through some connection, we got a fantastic, we have not met, but they say he's a fantastic lawyer. And then the lawyer quoted me the exact amount. Yes, my charges is $790 per hour. I came back to Parthi, I said, Swami, $790 per hour. Kidhar se, where will I have the money to pay him? I don't know how many thousand of hours he'll need just to read our situation. He said, have faith. तुम किस country में काम करता है? With which country are you dealing? I said, Swami, with US. So think like the US. And this is amazing. Sometimes we see Swami is nothing but awareness, and this is really example that we think Swami talks to us about just the spiritual things of life. But awareness is all inclusive. It's material, it's spiritual. It is really everything. Swami said, think like the US. And I'm like, what is that supposed to mean? And then my father was very upset because the situation was bad. And then he said, oh my God, you're going to sue. I said, yes, Swami said. And then he said, my God, they'll eat you up. these buyers, they are big and they will just destroy you. They will just, in the case, only put you money. If your lawyer is, and this is how Swami pulls out, if your lawyer is so convinced and so good, why don't you tell him to take a percentage? Bang, that was the idea. So Swami used my father being upset to convey to me the message. And then I said, thank you. I think you gave me the right idea. That's exactly what Swami said. So we spoke to our lawyer and said, will you take a percentage? And they said, why not? 50%. We negotiated, came to a much lower figure. And I said, Swami, they're taking a percentage. Swami smiled and he gave me vibhuti. The case went on and it got registered, accepted, and Swami said, time came that I have to go and face the court in US, and we took some credit card loan to buy ticket for hotel expenses because we were in that kind of situation, and really nasty situation. And I said, Swami, your blessings. He says, I'll be there. Then he gave me 10, 12 packets of vibhuti. He said, go, don't fear. And I really went saying, he's there. That's it. And Swami, I reached in the night, we slept. Next morning, Swami gave me the first sign of his presence. It was 3 judges, and when I entered, 3 judges got up. It is impossible. No judges get up. My lawyer looks at me and says, something is going on, Harish. I said, nothing is going on. I know my Swami is right beside me. That is why they are getting up. There is no reason. And it was like watching a harmony. I don't know what my lawyer did. He performed a harmony. I was simply sitting. Though they grilled me for 3-4 days, 10 hours a day. But it was literally a harmony. They were grilling me to give me advantages in the whole case, and we won it. And my lawyer said, my God, this is a song. And even I'm till today stupefied as to how it happened that way. And when I came back, Swami asked, Kya hua? What happened? I said, Swami, you are there. There was nothing else. There's no use to say we won, because obviously we did not win. It's Swami who's there. And time and again Swami shows to us all students, when he says, you are my property, he actually takes care of us like that. He actually means it, and for me, many, many times he keeps showing that. Through difficulties, through good times, even when he came, he asked me to shift to Bangalore, because he said, I've educated you so much, why you're staying in a foreign country, come and do something for India. And he made us construct an industry in 7 months. That is only because that is his method. So everything that we've learned here, he expects us to carry it forward. And it's important that we realize that what Swami has come is not to make us egoistic, that we actually are doing something for him. Because the moment we feel we are doing for Swami, that ego sense comes into us. And that actually stops us from doing rightfully what has to be done. And that, I feel, as students, we always have to be careful. We must remember that we have been given the opportunity. In one of the interviews I had with Swami, there was those days before we had the euro, there was an envelope, and Swami asked me to open it. And there was a demand draft, a check in Deutschmark, a certain amount. Swami said, return it. Tell him it is not his time. So even if anyone contributes to Swami, it's only because Swami is giving that person the opportunity to serve mankind. And that he's actually doing us a favor by creating fantastic karmas for each one of us. So if you see, every act of Swami is completely selfless. Whatever he's done is actually for our personal benefit. That's why we need to stop thinking. And I'll give you one beautiful example. This is about our music school. And, coming out from the music group after college and passing MBA in 93, I spoke to my father. I said, we've had tough time recording in Planetarium. Let's ask Swami to put up a recording studio. That was the idea. And then we had the opportunity to get an interview. And Swami, he knew something was in the mind. So he asked me, kya hai? I said, Swami, recording studio. Kidhar? Where? I said, Swami, yahan par. Can we put up? Theek hai. That's it. We went out, no further talks. Again, then after 1 year, क्या बोला पहले पुट्टपर्ती के लिए? Means what did you talk about that you wanted to put in Puttaparthi? I said, Swami, recording studio. किधर? Swami, यहाँ पर students के लिए. Then he said, ठीक है. That's it again. Then again he asked, क्या बोला तुमने? I kept quiet. I said, Swami knows he's. He said, recording studio? I said, हाँ Swami, recording studio. He said, नहीं, music college. I had no idea what a music college is. I never knew there is a music college, first of all. I mean, we are so used to having to practice on our own and things like that. So I had no idea. I said, then again he looked at my father. What kind of music college? My father's looking at me and saying, I'm caught in between you and Swami. I don't know what you both are discussing. So Swami looks at me again and he said, music college karenge. So obviously we kept quiet. And so the idea from a recording studio, Swami came out with this grand idea of music college. And then he says that we came up with the idea. And that is the humility of Swami. So he comes up with the idea, but it originates and he gives praise to that person. And you'll never find leaders like that. So Swami opened the topic. But we have seen one thing, that when Swami speaks to us about something, that means something is going to happen. Time again is not for us to decide. And we've seen suddenly profits coming up. Funds building up for it. For no reason, buyers giving extra price. So my father looked at me, buyer gave you 50 cents per piece extra. I said, yeah. I asked and he gave. Swami's got something in mind. So we've seen in our experience, Swami will never ask. He creates that. You understand? Sometimes we think we are the ones giving, we are foolish. Really, I'm telling you. We've seen too many times. When Swami wants something to happen, he generates it. He has to generate it either through you, me, or through anyone. That is why I keep stressing that when we realize that, we realize what a wonderful opportunity we've been given actually to witness the sudden growth in profits, to witness being able to offer that. And it's not as if our hard work is the one offering. I mean, he's literally generating that. And I'm sure many of our classmates have gone through, quite a few of them are entrepreneurs, they've gone through similar experiences wherein suddenly things happen and you don't know why. And you know that you should not waste it. Once in an interview in MBA, we asked Swami that for all these things, what are we supposed to do? MBA means business, and quite a few of us are children of businessmen, and we are supposed to earn money. So is it right or wrong? It's a basic question, right? And Swami said, you must earn lots of money. But remember, you should wear your shoe based on the size of your feet. You need the comfort. Otherwise it will hurt. Thorns will poke. But if you wear your shoe too tight, it'll hurt you a lot. You can bleed also. If you wear a loose shoe, you will trip and fall. So use the money based on your actual need. Balance, use it to service. So you must earn. I want my boys to be famous. I want my boys to be industrialists. Swami says you must know how to generate funds, but must know how to use it. By living in a bigger mansion is not going to make you a bigger person. You become a bigger person when you realize who you are actually, not by living in a bigger mansion. Because the need, there is no end. We have seen so many instances all over the world wherein people in their greed it doesn't stop. Where there are great people who can live small, but their mind is big. And that is the beauty. So whenever, I always say, there is no donation from us. We cannot. It's Swami generating the funds, you accepting that this is generated by Swami for a particular purpose, and so shall it be. That's it. That's what we've realized. My father has taught me that. Through my personal experiences with Swami directly, I've learned that. And I've been grateful. We've really been grateful. We've been enjoying to see such wonderful experiences from time and again, even till today. Till today, many times when there are homes to be built because of disastrous situation in Indonesia, profits go up. And that's it. And we just smile. We say, there Swami is at work again. So it's mostly Swami at work, hardly any of us. We are just lucky to be given that opportunity, to be blessed, that's all.
Om Shri Sai Ram. As part of our special prayers for the health and well-being of our brothers and sisters around the world, we have Swami chanting the Gayatri Mantra, and then we will have the Mrityunjaya Mantra. Please join in the chanting if you can. Sai Ram.
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यम् भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्योर्मुक्षेयमामृतात्
Om Shri Sai Ram. We will shortly start the meditation. Please sit comfortably with back straight and sufficient space around you. The chanting of the Sai Gayatri will be played in the background. Please do not chant along with it, as this is a session for silent meditation. Let us focus our mind on Swami and set aside all other thoughts. At the end of the meditation, there will be a 1-minute silence. Now we will start the meditation.
Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat. Om Sai Ishwaraya Vidmahe Satyadevaya Dhimahi Tanna Sarva Prachodayat.
Om Tat Sat Shri Narayana Tu Purushottama Guru Tu Sita Guru स्कन्दविनायक सविता पावततु ब्रह्ममस्तु यत्त्वशक्तितु येषु पिता प्रभुतु रुद्रविष्णुतु रामकृष्णतु रहीमतावतु वासुदेवतो विश्वरूपतु चिदानन्दहरितु अद्वितीयतु अकालनिर्भय आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु आत्मलिङ्ग शिवतु
जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्ति महेश्वर ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी
Shri Sai Ram. Mill Hill Sai Centre hopes you've enjoyed today's offerings of bhajans. Thoughts for the week. Life is raised on 4 pillars: righteousness, wealth, desire and liberation. Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. When 2 key pillars, righteousness and liberation, are lost, it is a struggle to survive with the remaining 2, desire and wealth. Then naturally, grief, greed, pretense and anxiety afflict human beings. Each pillar must cooperate and complement the other 3 pillars. Righteousness must interpenetrate and strengthen wealth and desire, so that liberation can be attained. Through righteousness alone, wealth for living must be obtained, and it should be used for righteous purposes. Desire must be directed to liberation from bondage, not to forging of new chains or adding further links in the chain of birth and death. Devoid of righteousness and desire for liberation, human beings will be reduced to the level of beasts and birds. Baba Jai Sai Ram.
Centre opening. With the blessings of our beloved Bhagavan, we are working on reopening our centre for in-person activities, including bhajans and SSC classes. Subject to the conditions being suitable and subject to getting the approval from Sri Sathya Sai Organisation UK, we are planning to open from the 12th of September, the second Sunday of September. We would kindly request you all to make a note of this date and we will keep you posted on the updates. In case of any questions or comments, please reach out to the Centre Chair or any of the wing coordinators. Study Circle. Study Circle is conducted online every second Sunday of the month from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Please join us this Sunday, the 8th of August, for a very interesting discussion on how to transform our homes into Prashanti Nilayam. The Zoom link for the session will be on the Centre group. Feedback. If you have any comments, feedback or suggestions regarding the programs being organised by Mill Hill Sai Centre or anything else we can do as a centre, please do share your thoughts with our Centre Chair on millhill.centrechair@gmail.com or 07722 197 830. We wish you all a happy, holy and healthy week ahead. Jai Sai Ram.